Today's question is 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a, that is equal to square root of 12 raised to the power of a minus 16 raised to the power of a. Our goal is to find a value here. Right hand side we have a square root. To get rid of the square root, we need to do square on both sides. After cancelling the square and square root, we get 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a whole power 2, that is equal to 12 raised to the power of a minus 16 raised to the power of a. 12, we can write it as 4 times 3, isn't it? Or we can write it as 3 times 4. The 16 also we can write it as 4 times 4. Now it is in the form of ab whole raised to the power of m. We can write this as a raised to the power of m, b raised to the power of m. So use that property here. We can write this as 3 raised to the power of a times 4 raised to the power of a. Similarly here also 4 raised to the power of a times 4 raised to the power of a. Here 4 raised to the power of a and here 4 raised to the power of a is common. So let's take it as 4 here left 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a. In left hand side we have 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a whole power 2. Now observe here 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a in left hand side whole square, and here also 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a. So these two are common. So that's why let us consider 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a as some variable k. Then it turns into k raised to the power of 2, that is equal to 4 raised to the power of a k. This we can write as k raised to the power of 2 minus 4 raised to the power of a k, that is equal to 0. Here k and here k as common, so that's why I am taking k as common. So with k minus 4 raised to the power of a, that is equal to 0. We can write this as k equal to 0 and k minus 4 raised to the power of a equal to 0. So that is we can write as k equal to 4 raised to the power of a and here k equal to 0. 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a we consider as k. So instead of k I am going to write 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a equal to 0. So this from here we can say that 3 raised to the power of a equal to 4 raised to the power of a. And here also instead of k I am going to take 3 raised to the power of a minus 4 raised to the power of a, that is equal to 4 raised to the power of a. So this we can write as 3 raised to the power of a. If we add both sides plus 4 raised to the power of a, then we are going to get 4 raised to the power of a plus 4 raised to the power of a. So you consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So let's simplify the equation 1. So that is 3 raised to the power of a equal to 4 raised to the power of a. So both sides divide by 4 raised to the power of a. That means I am taking in one hand side. So that is easy to solve. 3 raised to the power of a over 4 raised to the power of a equal to 1. Now it is in the form of a raised to the power of m over b raised to the power of m. We can write this as a over b whole raised to the power of m. So we can write this as 3 over 4 whole raised to the power of a, that is equal to 1. And we know that anything power 0, the value is 1. So anything power a, the value is 1, that means a value is 0. After comparing these two, then we can say that a is 0. From equation 1 we got this a value. Now I am going to simplify this equation 2, that is 3 raised to the power of a, that is equal to 4 raised to the power of a plus 4 raised to the power of a. So this we can write as 2 times 4 raised to the power of a. Now divide both sides by 4 raised to the power of a. So then now we got this 3 over 4 whole raised to the power of a, that is equal to 2. If this anything power 0, the value is 1. So that's why in the case 1 we consider a as 0. But in case 2 we have that is equal to 2. It's not 1. Now our a is in the exponent. It has some value. We don't know that. So to find that, let's take log on both sides. ln of 3 over 4 raised to the power of a, that is equal to ln 2. Now it is in the form of ln of a power m. We can write this as m times ln a. So we can write this as a times ln 3 over 4, that is equal to ln 2. Our goal is to find a value. So that's why a equal to ln 2 over ln 3 over 4. ln 3 over 4, it is in the form of ln a over b. So we can write this as ln a minus ln b. So this we can write it as ln 3 minus ln 4. This is the another a value. Our first equation we got a as 0. So our a is 0 and another a value is ln 2 over ln 3 minus ln 4. These are the a values of this expression. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.